switching around recently open apps. In Windows 8, okay, when we're talking about apps, normally it's gonna be the apps, see the new apps that they install on Windows 8. For example, when I'm on the start mode, on the start Windows or the Windows mode, see we're gonna see this big title icons. Okay, um, I remember that. I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize that. Okay, so that way, see, we're gonna be able to see the four different groups. Okay, so we have four different groups here. Now, when we have four different applications, I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom in again. I'm just gonna scroll to the left hand side. I'm gonna get back to my apps. Okay, now remember that on this app, see, we're not gonna see the minus button, the maximize button, or the close button on the top right corner like on any other traditional Windows. Okay, so when I open an application directly from the Windows mode, okay, let's say that I'm gonna open the app mail. It's gonna take me to my mail. I click Windows logo, it's gonna take me back. I bring my pointer up here, it's telling me that one click is gonna take me back to my Windows Live Mail. Back to the start screen by clicking the keystroke Windows logo. I'm gonna open the calendar. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go ahead and open the people apps. Back to the start. And I'm also gonna open this other app. Back to the start. And I'm also gonna open Los Angeles Times. Okay. So remember, these are the four. I opened like 4 or 5 different apps. Now the apps to to search through each other. If we right click, see, each of these apps is gonna give us different options. Okay, depending on what are my favorites here, I will be able to add my favorite teams and have easy access to my favorite teams. Okay, now I'm gonna switch between one and the other. We already said that if we left click on the tab and drag it to the bottom, it's just gonna close that application. But right now I don't wanna do that. I just wanna go to another app. Now I'm gonna bring my pointer up here and basically you see there's another app. But when you guys see that little icon and bring your pointer down, see, we're gonna see that I have the finance, the people, calendar, mail, and desktop applications apps open, and the start is also gonna be displayed. So from here, I'm gonna go from my calendar, click, and there I'm on the calendar. I'm gonna bring my pointer up here. When I see that the thumbnail of this app, I'm gonna bring down my pointer, and then I'm gonna have a thumbnail of all the apps that I have open. Let's say that I wanna go back to start. And from here, I'm gonna open the Sky Drive. I'm gonna go back to the start screen, and I'm also gonna open Maps. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen? Again, like I said, if we right click into this, the Maps application, see, it's gonna show me the toolbar and with a couple of different tools to show the traffic, my style, my locations, or directions. If I want to switch to another app, I'm gonna go to the top left corner. When I see that icon, I'm gonna bring my pointer down, and then it's gonna display SkyDrive, Calendar, Sports, etc., etc. I'm gonna click on the SkyDrive. There's my SkyDrive. Okay. Now, if I go back to the start screen, back to the desktop. On the desktop, I'm gonna open in Internet Explorer, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Okay, I'm gonna bring my pointer to the top left corner and then down to that little thumbnail. See, again, I'm gonna be able to see my applications. But guess what? I'm only gonna see the apps that I open from the Windows mode. It's not gonna display the apps or applications that I open from the desktop mode. Okay, and the reason is, I believe it's very simple, right? Why? Because these apps are focused to work with touch screens. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my start desktop, and under the desktop mode, see, we still see those options to minimize, restore, maximize, or close files. Okay, so that's the main reason. Okay, but that's how we can. I'm gonna click on File, Exit, File, Exit, File, Exit, and click Close. I'm gonna go back to my apps. I'm gonna bring down my pointer, and there's my different apps on the Windows mode. Okay, so that's how I could display it or sort through different apps. Okay, to close them, remember, left click on the top, hold and drag down. Going back to that corner, bring my pointer down, calendar, left click, hold, drag down, bring my pointer, people, I'm gonna close it, left click, hold and drag. Bring my pointer up here when I see the desktop and bring it down, and there I have 3 more applications. Left click, hold and drag down. Now, if I don't want to do that process, if I right click, I will be able to close it from here, which is gonna be a lot faster. Right click, close. Right click, close, and I'm back to my Windows mode, my start screen. And that is switching around different apps. Thank you.